The silence of night, seeking more light, chasing what's right. Knocked on the door, the journey begun, till I was raised to the third and the one. The working tools taught me the square and the line, brotherhood eternal, a bond so divine. Journey was fun. Then I took to the road with the widow's sons, branded in fire, the steel and the chrome, riding together, we're never alone. From the lodge to the highway, the journey runs. I'm a master mason, branded widow sons. The roar of the engine, the wind in my face, charity and brotherhood, we ride with grace. Patches and leather, the emblem we wear, a compass and square, showing we care. From the west to the east, the chapters are called. When a brother goes down, we're there for it all. With thunder beneath us and God's light above, we're bound by the craft and the bonds of love. Branded in fire, the steel and the chrome, riding together, we're never alone. From the lodge to the highway, the journey runs. I'm a master mason, branded widow sons. From the steps of the temple to the open sky, we honor the widow and we'll ride till we die. Through trials and triumphs, our spirits are one, raised in the craft. Now